Introducing the ColorKey Creator BSW 1200. The Creator BSW 1200 is a versatile hybrid moving head luminaire blending beam, spot, and wash functionality. Created for lighting designers who want flexibility from fewer fixtures, the BSW 1200 can replace multiple types of lights in a rig. Produce stunning looks and effects with 10 colors plus split colors, 2 gobo wheels featuring 12 static gobos and 7 rotating gobos, including a textured glass gobo, and a 3-facet prism. A motorized zoom adjusts the beam angle from a 7-degree beam to a 19-degree spot, while the motorized focus transitions from sharp edges to smooth washes. As part of the Creator series, the BSW 1200 sports a multicolor halo around the edge of the beam, which synchronizes with Creator fixtures and includes pre-programmed chases and patterns. This ensures seamless integration and visual consistency across your Creator setup. Frame set position control mode keeps the light beams from going where you don't want them, like the back wall or your audience's eyes. Designed for events and permanent installs alike, all ColorKey Creator series fixtures feature quick-release brackets and PowerCon power linking to simplify setup and teardown. A heavy-duty flight case is also available separately. Create unforgettable shows with the Creator BSW 1200 hybrid moving head from ColorKey. Ask for it at your favorite lighting retailer today. Visit us at colorkeyled.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.